We have a sound, we have a run things. We kill no sound, they can't come around when they hear my sound.
Hear this, hear this. Yeah, man, the big bad Run Things sounds in international dance sound. Mama Angela, where yourself, Wayne Lonesome Jr, and I, Wayne Lonesome, they are saying, yo, Frankie Paul, are you on the Lonesome this? Chop them down.
Check it out. Wayne Lonesome and Frankie Paul.
Hear this.
Dancehall style, yeah. Love sound out the road, take them trash and Chris. But them a dead stock sound. Run things, make them know, say we never miss. And them a dead stock sound. Good sound.
Them come and a laugh and talk. When them see we come a skin teeth and a laugh and talk. We turn we back, shoot them arrow, and a blow them dart. Try to assassinate, run things, but we too smart. Try into the corner, stand up and a march. But them a plot, gun spirit, them evil lost heart. Make we number one up on them enemy chart. But against them, we have a clean man with a curing heart. Frankie, give me room and we mash up them clots, yo!
Chat them a chat, we run things. Things don't run, we send them to the cemetery. Wayne Lonesome and the great FP. Wicked and wild, crucial style lead. Them a talk about them run things, trash and Chris. But them a dead stock sound. Run things are the sound now we never miss. The boy them a dead stock sound. Look so.
Only why them a throw them down. Make them know we are the talk of the town. Wow, run things and you run the town. Everybody knows there we not come around. Make we whop them down, make we whop them now. Run things in our ramp and go. And you know I mean no sell and no go. Lonesome and Frankie Paul mash it up now.
When we a fly pan plane, we fly first class. Them why they have in mass, can't even pass.